Hey guys, welcome back to hemorrdroids.net. I'm going to show you something on my Samsung Galaxy Tab today. Breaking news is that Google have released Currents. Well, I say breaking news if I can get this uploaded nice and quick, and if you see it shortly after I upload it. Here it is. Which has gone under various names, I think, in development. Propeller, for example. And it's a sort of a news aggregating application. This is in action, so I've added a couple of things myself. It's updated over Wi-Fi. You can see it down here. Fetching, what does it say? Fetching images? Yeah, fetching images for all things D. So it's syncing over Wi-Fi. There are various options. If we go into the settings here, sync settings, for example. So you can tell it when to sync, how often to sync, Wi-Fi only, charging only, stuff like that. So you could have it sync in the morning while it's charging on Wi-Fi, and perhaps read it on your way into work. It is phone compatible as well, but I've only been playing with it on my tablet just now. So what can we do? Add more, for example. You get a bunch of featured subscribers. You get a set of recommended subscribers. So let's say we want to add TechCrunch, simply add for free. Now that does make me wonder that they're going to be adding paid ones. Let's add Gig.on as well. I've already put some sort of sports ones in. You know, I'm an NFL fan, so I've put the Bleacher for NFL in there. But there's a variety of other things. Entertainment, TMZ, I know I've heard of them, or Kotaku, or Boing Boing. They're reasonable. Let's on Games Radar. Okay, let's throw a couple of these on as well. So it's very simple to add them, as you can see. My library here shows them all, and I presume I can move them up and down. Not entirely sure what difference that would have. So I think, oh yeah. So now I'm back out to the. Where's my library gone? Oh, it's because it's. Right, so let's get rid of, I have no idea. These are the ones you start off with. You just hold on them and select remove. The images over here are from your selected feeds, and if you want to read a story about one of them, so let's have a look at the OnLive. There we go, you can press to go to the original article about it. You've got some suggested articles there. Let's come back out. Right, I haven't finished getting rid of my usual stuff. Sorry, the stuff I've no idea. Alright. So now I'm left with just my sports bits and the sort of tech bits. You can slide through this yourself. Whoops. Well, you could. I think it's got a bit slow because it's, I mean, as you can see, it's still doing a lot of syncing. And you can see here this one syncing up as we go. And then if you want to know the story that's there, you tap on it and that loads. I can see that one is multiple pages, look, so we can swipe through that. If we want to see the stories from a particular library, we can go straight into there. Has this only got one page? I'm sure. No, there we go. So you can scroll through all kind of newspaper style, I suppose, in some ways, or magazine style maybe. And again, if you want to read one of them, you tap on it, and then you go. And again, I can see that's quite a few pages. So it certainly looks quite good. It's not quite as flexible as some applications where, so I can't just give it a keyword as far as I'm aware. Well, unless they can do something in trending. So again, in settings I've set what I want to be up to trending, and I want the top sports and the top technology stories. So it says add more trends. Can I give it? No. So I can just add from category. So I've got the tech and the sports, but you could put the entertainment and just world top. So I'll put the top trending world stories in there as well. There they are at the top. So all in all, I would say it's a very nicely presented application, and it looks like a good way to to stay in touch with the news. Now, the one weird thing, well, I don't know if it's weird, but it's only available in the US. I mean, I say weird because I can understand when Google Music comes out and it's only available in the US. I can understand that because it's all about licenses and you've got to get the agreement from these big music corporations that don't really want to give much to other people without getting lots of money in return and blah blah blah. But news, really? You know, is that surely this is nothing that we wouldn't just look up on the internet? Surely they want people to look it up on the internet, and this will help. You know, I don't quite understand why this would be US only. Of course, on hemorrdroids.net you'll find a link to download the APK, which is all I've done, and install it straight off until it does get released worldwide. But I mean, all in all, I think it looks a really nice, well presented app. Is that, oh no, that's just, oh it is. So yeah, there we go. Google Currents, head to hemorrdroids.net to get the actual download. My name's Andy. Catch you again soon.